Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to split a PDF file on Windows 11. Whether you need to extract specific pages, break a large document into sections, or just get it done quickly, I have got you covered. No complicated steps, no paid tools, just quick and simple solutions. Let's get started. The first method is using Microsoft Edge. It's built into Windows 11, so you don't need to install anything. Here, I have a sample PDF saved on my desktop. I will right click on it. In the right click menu, I will select Open with Microsoft Edge. Now, I will click on the print icon on the top right corner. Under Printer, we have different options. I will stick to Microsoft Print to PDF because this will allow us to save only specific pages. Below, under Pages, I will select the option with the blank input box next to it. Let's say I only need pages 2 to 5. So I will type 2-5 here. If I wanted just page 3, I would enter 3. And if I need multiple separate ranges, like 1 to 3 and 5 to 7, Edge lets me enter them at once, separated by comma. Next, I will click Print and it will ask me where to save the file. I will name it Extracted Pages and save it on my desktop. Let's check the extracted PDF. Yep, it only contains the pages that I selected. Microsoft Edge is a solid built-in option for splitting PDFs. But if you don't want to mess with the printer settings every time, a dedicated app makes the process much easier. Let's check out the PDF Merger and Splitter app. It's free and available on the Microsoft Store. Let's install and use it. First, I will open the Microsoft Store from the taskbar. In the search bar, I will type PDF Merger and Splitter and hit enter. Now there are a few similar apps, so look for the one by AnimeSoft. That's the one we need. If you haven't installed it before, you will see a Get button, but since I already have it, it says Open. I will click Open to launch it. The app has two main options. Merge PDF. This combines PDFs into one. Split PDF. This lets us extract pages from a PDF. I need to split a PDF, so I will click Split PDF. Next, I will click Load PDF and select my sample PDF from the desktop. The file loads and I can see a preview of all the pages. Down here, we have two options. Extract each selected page to PDF. This creates a separate file for each page. Extract selected pages to a single PDF. This combines the selected pages into one file. This time, I will go with extract selected pages to a single PDF because I need pages 1 to 3 and 5 to 7 in one file. So, I will select these pages from the preview here. Basically, we are telling the app, hey, keep these pages together. They are a part of a balanced meal. You wouldn't serve a salad without the dressing, right? Same logic here. Now, I will click Split PDF. A window pops up asking where to save the file. I will choose Desktop and click Select Folder. Let's minimize everything and check the desktop. Here's my newly split PDF. I will open it to confirm. Yep, it contains pages 1 to 3 and 5 to 7, exactly as expected. And that's how you split a PDF using the PDF Merger and Splitter app. It's faster than using Edge, and you don't have to enter page numbers manually every time. But what if you don't want to install anything? Let's check out an online tool next. ilovepdf.com. It works on any device, and you can split PDFs in just a few clicks. Let's check it out. First, open a web browser of your choice and navigate to this URL. I will put the link in the description box below for easy access. Now, I will click Select PDF and choose my sample PDF from the desktop. I could also just drag and drop the file into the upload area. But heads up, if the file is over 100 MB, iLove PDF will ask you to upgrade to premium. So if you are working with a large PDF, you might need to compress it first or use an offline method instead. iLove PDF gives us two main options. Custom ranges. This lets us pick specific pages and extract them into a new file. Fixed ranges. This automatically splits the PDF into equal sections. I will go with custom ranges since I want to extract pages 2 to 4 and 6 to 8. So I will type 2 to 4 in the first range box, then click Add Range and enter 6 to 8 in the second box. I will check the box that says Merge all ranges in one PDF file. This makes sure all selected pages go into a single PDF instead of separate files. Now, I will click Split PDF and wait a few seconds while it processes. Once the split is done, I will click Download Split PDF to save the new file. Depending on your browser settings, the PDF may open automatically after downloading. Here it is. All selected pages 2 to 4 and 6 to 8 are in a single PDF, exactly how we wanted. Just keep in mind that for large or sensitive files, using an offline method might be a better option. Alright, we have covered 3 ways to split a PDF file on Windows 11, each with its own pros and cons. Which method worked best for you? Or do you have another go-to tool for splitting PDFs? Please let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.